Yo, what's up guys? It's Gray back here with another video. And today we're gonna be testing out Cursor versus Lovable. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're grabbing some photos for this Cowboy coffee shop, which is a super neat coffee shop near my house. Uh, it's kind of like Western Aztec inspired. Just super cool hangout spot, super good coffee, super cool staff. The owner is amazing. She's so nice. All the staff is amazing. They're always so kind and they make incredible coffee. I kind of want to grab this menu and like their logo. I think their logo is like somewhere super down. But yeah, you can see it's like a Western cowboy vibe. I want to get like a photo of just that. Oh, look at this. So I can't save? Like, so how come I can't take this photo? Can I like share it and get it? It was PNG. Oh, sweet. So that's how you gotta do it, boys. You gotta share and then grab it from there. I don't know like the difference between PNG and JPEG, but I probably should as a programmer. I don't really bother. I always save as PNG. I think like PNG is like the stuff with the transparent background, which is like honestly what you want. Like, but I know with like loading and sizing, there may be like differences. Whatever. So first things first, let's head over to Lovable. Never really used Lovable before, but I watched a video last night on YouTube that I'll link in the description. It was of Claude Code. They used Claude Code to recreate Lovable, and it kind of put me in love with Claude Code. So look forward to a video of that. But also, like, I didn't know how powerful Lovable was, and I didn't know I was able to do these kinds of things in the browser. All right, so we're back here at Lovable, and first thing that we're going to do is we're going to kick off a couple agents to build out this website for us. And what we want to do is we want to use the same prompt for both to ensure accuracy in the testing and seeing which is better. So we're going to say, please, obviously we always say please create me a Western cowboy themed website for this coffee shop called Cowboy Coffee. They are located in Indialantic, Florida. So maybe include some palm tree and sun elements to capture the vibe of East Coast Florida plus Western cowboy. Make website professional and production ready. Simple, professional, and production ready. Follow the vibe of the logo and the menu provided. So yeah, now let's go ahead and open those photos, which I don't know where they got saved to. Can I just like drag them in there from here? Yes, I can. Oh, so that's the menu twice. We need the icon now. Awesome. So boom, let's kick that off right now. So now that's spinning. And what it does is I just learned this last night. What it does is it takes this like E2B instance, was essentially just like a computer where the AI can execute code and spin up like servers. So it's able to like essentially open its own VS Code instance. I'm sure it doesn't. It probably uses like Vim to write directly to files. But what it'll do is it'll write all that code, install those dependencies, and then spin up that server locally on that like cloud bubble, they call it a bubble. And that's essentially what they do here at Lovable. And it was really cool to watch them reverse engineer it with the Claude Code. I learned a lot about compute, especially when it comes to like AI giving them their own compute power. And so yeah, that's what's happening right here is they're spinning up their little E2B bubble, and then they're like editing a bunch of files and whatnot. So yeah, it's essentially going to do what Cursor is doing for us every time we build or tell it to build a new project. Like it's going to build all those files necessary for Next.js. It's not necessarily going to bootstrap it, but I'm not sure what happens behind the scenes with Lovable. But so yeah, let's head over to the terminal and let's cd. Oh, we're already here. Cowboy Coffer Cursor. And we're gonna open that in Cursor. Here's a listen to this song, so let's skip. New stick figure right here, buddy. Let's go. Gotta love it. So yeah, this is pumping still. We got that Cursor instance open. Let's go ahead and cd into there. Let's paste that. And then we're gonna drag those photos in as well, if we can. So where are those photos, dude? I don't know where they went. I really don't know where those photos went. Oh, here we go. Menu. Oh man. It's not in the downloads, is it in pictures? Oh man. How about we just like take a screenshot? Oh, not menu. I didn't know you could do that. That's awesome. Oh, it's icon we called it, not logo. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm a little off it this morning. I haven't had my coffee. So, yep, same prompt, same photos, letting it rip. Here's my coffee. Hopefully when I drink more of this, I'll become a little bit more focused. Oh. Should I put those in there? Should I put the photos in there? I've done it in the past, but I didn't even think of it. I think they got like, what, a 2-3 minute head start here. Move this up here for now, so you guys can see what's going on over here. So, can you see the way that it prompts itself or no? You just see what it's editing? See, I like how with Cursor, I can look at its thinking process, so I can see like the way that it prompts itself. The user wants me to create a Western Cowboy theme website for a coffee shop. They want to combine Western Cowboy and palm trees, sun. Yep. Interesting. I love how we got an index.html file here. We don't need no crazy Next.js framework. This is awesome. Let's go. Uh-oh. Where is this? Wow. We got the font. Oh my gosh, we got cactus and sun. You feel like a bird right here would be cool. Where the Wild West meets the East Coast. Is this their menu or no? No. Oh my gosh. I love how it just makes stuff up. Ranch hand latte. I like this section right here. Probably put like the palm tree in the background or something. That's not what I said. Wow. Well, Lovable is definitely winning right now. I didn't even say that's all I wanted. I wanted a super simple just landing page, menu, about us, footer. So I'm glad that it got that vibe. Wow, that's incredible. And what is the process of getting this code from Lovable? Like publish, I guess, or we can see the code. Nice. So yeah, it's just a Next.js project, or it's built by Vite, so it's just a React app. Yep. We got our pages. YouTube. This is for Shad CN. Yep. And then cool. So let's go ahead and open this. go ahead and open the cursor index.html and see how that's looking. Wow. It's so bad. That's supposed to be a palm tree. So they did their story before the menu. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like people want to come here and get straight to the menu. Dude, again, rodeo cappuccino. This doesn't exist. Peach campfire mocha. I like how there's a form to get in touch here. Alright guys, well, I think we know who our winner is here. Followed the typography down to a T, India Atlantic. I love the colors. We got the sun and some cacti. Straight into the menu with the typography. I would want it to look more like this, the menu. Let's stamp that on there somehow. And then, yeah, definitely loving this section right here. Probably put like a photo or something, but wow, guys. I am super impressed with Lovable. Super impressed. I'm curious to how they, if they have like their own UI library or whatnot, because this looks very professional and ready to go. So yeah, guys, there you have it. We put Cursor versus Lovable today. We put both of them to the test, and obviously, as we can see here, Lovable came out on top. I can't wait to take this, export it to code, and then make some changes and send it over to the owners of Cowboy Coffee, because they deserve a sick website. They're a sick coffee shop. And yeah, guys, if you stuck around with me till the end here, appreciate you watching as always, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.